Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana and you are most welcome to our video lecture on game development series. And in this video, we will be covering on how to design and create a terrain. For this, we will be using the World Machine software, and I am using the World Machine 2 professional version, and you can see the version. If you are interested to see these things, you can see help and about World Machine. You can see I am using World Machine 2.3.7 professional 64. So these are the things we are using, right? So now it is clear. Now the first time we go for creating any terrain, we have to create a new file. For that new file, you just go to the file, then click new. So it will open a new one and give a name. Suppose the name I have given new project 2.tmd. Okay, that you can see it here already existing, because instead of creating on the same file, I want to create it here. Okay, here I will give you the procedure how to create. Then we go for the building of the software and we go for running the 3D view. Okay, this is the things I am going to do it here. Fine. So with this, what you can do, you can create a beautiful customized terrain for you, and the same thing you can use in Unity engine, or you can use any other part of this game development softwares, right? So now it is not much. I hardly take 15 minutes. In this 15 minutes, you will have complete knowledge how to design. If you are a freshers, you are starting or you do not know anything, still I assure you that just 15 minutes you watch this video, or you want to note down, you just pause it and write down whatever things you think, and you find a problem or any doubt, be free to send to me in my SMS or the email ID what I have enclosed in my website. So I will be definitely responding to that one. But I assure you that at the end of this video, any person who is starting from the scratch also will be able to design a beautiful terrain. All the best. So now let us, before starting all the things, we can see this is, you can see the workspace, you can see it here, and these are all the file details, you can find it here, and here the device navigator and all things you can check it here. All things are there, nothing to worry for these things at this moment, right? Now suppose we created a new file. The file name we have given new project 2.tmd, because the extension will be tmd here only, this World Machine. Now to start anything, I want, what is my job? I want to going to generate a terrain. For generate, we need the generator. Can you see it here? Once I click this generator, you are having layout generator, you are having Perlin noise, you are having advanced Perlin. So click this advanced and put it here, and you right click it here. You see, when I selected a new one, can you see immediately the preview it changed? You got it now? Now your the advanced Perlin is there in front of you ready. Fine. Then what you need to do? Then you need to go for the filtering. So once you go for the filter, again you change here, you find clamps are there, simple transform is there, terrace is there, all the things are available. So I go for the clamp and click it here and right click over, drag it and put it on the top here also. Yeah. Then what I do, then I go for the trace, similarly click it here and drag and drop it here. This is also there, and I right click it here. Okay. So up to this, we covered 3 points. First one is the advanced Perlin, second one is the clamp, third one is the terrace. Okay. Now how do we go for the connectivity? For the connectivity, what we do, just you click it here and connect to this one. It's over. Now when it is connected, you see the color is changing. Still it is not connected, the color is coming red color. Then you click it here and also just click it here, just click it, sorry. You click it here, fine. Now what you need to do, immediately I go for this erosion. Why you go for this erosion? You see, I told you that the world is not created in one day or one moment or in 1 year. It has taken billions of years. So then when you design something very sharp and all things, it seems that yesterday only it is created. It is not like that. There must be some smoothness, there must be some smoothness, some weathering, some snow, all things should be there to look it natural. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go for this erosion. This erosion, it is a natural phenomena. So you go to the natural here. In this natural, we are having the devices like erosion, we are having thermal weathering, we are having snow, we are having coast erosion, all the things are there. We need this erosion, I taken and put it here. It's clear? So I right click here and is over. Now to make a connection from these things, what you need to do, just click it here and connect it here. Over, it's over. Now the next part is there. I have to go for the basic coverage macro. Where you get that one? For getting that basic coverage macro, we have to use this macros. Okay, just click this macro, then you will have the click. Just you click it here. Once you click, load manage macro library appears in front of you. Load manage, it appears in front of you. Just you go to the surface map. Instead of selecting anything, go to the basic coverage. Just you click the basic coverage and then load macros. So then just you click it here in front of you. Oh, let it come here. Okay, then right click it here. You got it now? Now I need to combine all the things. For this I need a combiner. Go for the combiner, and you are having three number of combiners. One is the height chooser, one is the chooser, and one is the combiner. You go for the combiner and put it here. Get it now? In this combiner, yeah. So you can see there are two number input slots. So here the last one, take it and connect it to the last one, and here the last but one, you take it and connect to this one. Fine. So this is the things you have done it here. Are you getting me? Now coming to the top one here, this one, this one, and take and put the top, right? So the basic coverage and everything is there. Are you got it now? So now, are you getting me? Now then we need the, then what do we need? Then before we go for the output here, we need to go for this normal map maker. This normal map maker is available in the converter. In the converter you can see this one, normal map maker is there. You take it and put it here on the top here, normal map maker, and right click, right? Normal map maker, what I have put it here. Then what you need to do, this is to be connected somewhere here. You got it now? So what you come in the reverse way also, no problem. Fine. Now you can clearly see. Can you check it here? The same thing what is done here. The same thing, it is from this it is connected here, from this also it is connected to that one. Fine. Now what you need to do, I need some output. Where you get the output? For this output you go for this output here, and in this output you are having a number of output. You can go text output, you can have the height output. We need the height output. Then we need the mesh output, we need the bitmap output. We go for the bitmap output. So then you put it here. You got it now? So once and right click it here. Then from this point you can connect to this one and you can connect here. You got it now? So bitmap output is there. Next is the height output. So like that you can finish all the things. Like that you can finish all the things. Okay. So similarly, next is the height output. Where you got the height output? Height output, you get here height output and you put it here. Okay, right click, right? So like that all the outputs you put it serially. And what I want to show you, because this is already done, already it is existing, already done, so I no need to do it again. It is only for a demonstration I am showing to you. So once these things are done, okay, so then what you need to do, that I will show you. Fine. Okay, fine. I am deleting all the things because it is already existing. I am not doing all the things, just for a demonstration I have shown you. And once it is over, okay, now you can sit here. Now the what I was giving a demonstration, same thing is already done. This also remove, this is not necessary, delete. Fine. Now once you have completed everything, deleted, now Control S, you save it as it is. Okay, encounter some problem, no problem. Then you have to build it. For building, click this build. Okay, it has built. Then for running this, you have to go for this F8. Okay, how do you go for this F8? It is F7 and F8. Okay, you get it now? Now there is no device is selected, it is asking. So okay, don't worry for this thing at this moment because we have not selected the device. Fine. So camera orbit, freely navigate, reset the, okay, so preference, pandemic, file, open the same thing, that is the to open. So okay, it's the same thing what you have done, selecting this thing. Then what I have done, then I already built it here, everything it built it there, and selecting all the things it is there. Then I go for the press F8. Once you go for the press F8, you can clearly see the entire thing. You can click, check it here, you get it now. And even if you are interested for the all the things, you can have it. You can smooth it, you are able to create a terrain. Suppose you want to go for the water filling and all things there, so some part of these things, then just put it there and it's so okay. So okay, it's clear. Then you have done all the things, clear. So what you have done, using all the devices, we are able to create a terrain. So you can smooth, you can increase the height and everything, you can do it here. So there is nothing to worry about all the things. So at this level, I hope you understood now the minimum concept about all the things. And if you really you have any other doubt also, you can write a SMS and mail to me, so that I will be easily responding to you. And what I am telling you, that if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe this also, so that all the new related videos will reach you without any hurdle. Okay, so this was very easy. I think less than 15 minutes you have taken to create a design. Okay, so this what you see, you can say it is not looking like a mountain. You can increase the height, you can decrease the height, you can make it level, everything automatic adjustment is there also. You can do it here. You see, just a mountain, a reservoir, and all this water body, it is there, it is already filled up like that, it is there. Okay, so thank you for watching this video once again, and have a good day. Thank you one more time.